Summer is so much fun. Play all day long. Do crafts all day long. Wait a minute. I've got work to do. My school bags are a bit broken. I need new ones for the new school year. These will be my first DIY bags. I'm excited to start. First stop, the fabric store. I'm looking for something with flowers or cute drawings and warm colors. I found my fabric. Let's add some string. And I will need a zipper. Time to get crafty. First up, my gym bag. It starts as a big rectangle. First, I need to make seams on the ends. Now I need to sew the sides together, but I need to leave 4 centimeters at the top. I'm sewing up to my mark. Now I cut these little corners from the bottom, and then I can turn it inside out. Now it's time to sew these bits at the top. Remember that 4 centimeters I left out? That now becomes a tunnel. This drawstring from my old gym bag was still fine, so I'm using it for my new bag too. One more step. These are grommets. I need a hammer. You start by making a hole in the back. Then you put the grommet parts. And then it's hammer time again. Ta-da! I'm happy with the result. One bag is done, but we still have a backpack to make. For this one, I will need to make some patterns. I will combine the flower fabric with this fake leather. They look nice together. We will start with the pocket. Sewing this is a little more tricky, so my mom helps me. We have a pocket and we have a flap. And now we need a button. This one, or maybe this. I chose this one. Let's connect the pocket to the front. bottom too. My previous backpack had handy side pockets. Let's try to make those too. Nice! It worked! Let's attach the zipper to the front. This is my old backpack. We can recycle the straps. Now we attach the back. My bag still needs a handle. And shoulder straps. And last but not least, the middle part. We make a hamburger of all these parts and sew it all together. Turn it inside out. And add the final stitches. Phew, done. Time for school! I'm really happy with my school bags. I hope you like them too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.